Hello everyone, welcome here. Today we are going to know and learn best apps for students to help to grow their career in less time. All the situations. So let's see today. This question I'm trying to getting an information using artificial intelligence ChatGPT AI tool. If you are watching first time this video lecture, please do subscribe and support harisystems for more interesting video lectures. Let's begin. I'm trying to asking suggest best apps for students. Let's what ChatGPT will support us. See here, the best apps for students can help with the various aspects of studying, time management, organization and productivity. So how super easily these are the requirements. Student can make their own time clearly irrespective of what time he needs to study, what time he needs to play, what time he needs to do the activities. These to be done with more productivity. Evernote. It's a powerful note-taking app, allows you to create, organize notes, documents, files, one place. Supports audio, images, notes making, versatile and different types of content. Forest. A productivity app that uses gamification to help students stay focused and avoid distractions, which will make you virtual trees by saying focused you and you will ask what the task helps you to develop better study habits. Quizlet, a popular a flashcard that enables students to create study and digital flashcards, offers various study modes including games, quizzes, audios, pronunciations and making many more. Google Drive, a cloud-based storage that allows you to store, access, collaborate documents, spreadsheet, presentations and many more. All keep with together a making of this multiple devices. Todoist. It's a task management app that helps students create to-do list, deadlines, prioritize tasks, simple and initiative a app that can help students to stay organized and manage their workload efficiently. Microsoft OneNote, a digital note-taking app that allows you to create, organize, flexible, organized support text, images, audio, handwriting, making, versatile tools and taking, reviewing class notes and many more. Duolingo, a language learning app, offers fun and interactive lessons for learning a variety of languages. It uses gamification to make language learning enjoyable and engaging. Calm, a meditation relaxation app that can help the students to manage stress control system. It will improve to offer guided meditation, sleep stories, claiming sounds that can promote mental well-being, improved concentration. Wolfram Alpha, a powerful computational knowledge engine that can help students solve complex math problems, generate graphs, obtain detailed information on various subjects. It's a valuable tool for STEM students. Grammarly, a writing assistance app that can help students to improve their writing skills by providing grammar, spelling, style suggestions. It's a helpful tool for proofreading, essays, papers and all the assignments. What you want to, if you're a learner in English, yes, you just write to type it and it will take care to help you Grammarly. Remember, the effectiveness of these apps may vary depending on individual preference of study habits. It's always good idea the different apps find other one with the network best, the word best for you. You just try. All you have to make more concentration on your studies, where you want to grow, have a plan and use with this app which is helpful for you. It's a recommendation only. If you feel this video lecture is helping you at any point, please do subscribe and support us. Harisystems offers vast range of online courses. If you are interested, find below link to subscribe and learn start today. Thank you.